In this video, I'll show you how to set price alerts on the Robinhood app, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To set price alerts on Robinhood app, you need to use the mobile app on your phone or tablet, since this feature is not available on the web version. Start by opening a Robinhood app and go to the home screen. From there, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your profile page opens, look to the top left corner and tap the three-line menu icon to open the main menu. After the menu appears, scroll down until you see Settings and tap on it. Inside the Settings section, find and select Notifications and Messages. Now tap on Push Notifications to manage your alerts. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Stock Price Movements. This is where you can control alerts for your current holdings and also for stocks on your watch list. Tap into that section to adjust your preferences. For stocks, Robinhood allows you to receive alerts when a stock moves by 5% or 10% in a day. You can toggle these options on or off, depending on how frequently you want to be notified. There are also options to receive alerts for new 52-week highs and new 52-week lows. Simply tap the switch next to each option to enable or disable it. If you trade options, go back to the Push Notification section and find Options Price Movements. Here, you can enable alerts for 20%, 50%, or even 100% moves. You can also set notifications for total gain or loss percentages. Toggle the levels that match your risk preference. For cryptocurrency alerts, locate crypto price movements in the same notifications area. Tap into it and choose whether you want alerts for 5% or 10% price changes. You can also control how frequently you receive notifications for each coin. After selecting your preferred alert settings, simply exit the menu. Your price alerts will now be active, and you'll receive notifications directly on your device whenever your selected thresholds are triggered. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.